I'm in Barbados, right? And I'm seeing this lady running behind me. So I'm getting scared. I'm looking to run too. She's like, hello. You just be on YouTube, right? Hey, big up yourself, man. Island Daddy, man. How you mean?
Big up everybody in
How you mean?
Barbados.
Big up everybody in Barbados,
Big
man.
up everybody who follow my guy here on
How you
YouTube.
mean? Island Daddy to the world.
Island Daddy to the world.
Blessings, man. How you mean? No respect, huh?
Yeah.
How you mean? Oh, they trying to trick me, Grenada. What? The thing walking. Real walking too. 473 to the world, man. How you mean?
Because I hear they calling my name, I hear they calling my name again. I hear them calling, hear them calling out. I say I hear they calling my name, I hear they calling my name again. Hear them calling, hear them calling, hear them calling out. If you hear them, Island Daddy, Island Daddy, Island Daddy, Island Daddy.
All in the mass starting, how you mean? Yeah, man. This morning, we don't catching feelings, you know. Yeah, man. Playing the boss catching, man. Enough respect, man. How you mean? I'm a neighbor that, you know. Yes, man. When they say what good for the goose, good for the gander. How you mean? Yeah, well. Blessings, Dandy. I'm a good neighbor that, you know. Yeah, man. That's how the boss moving out and stepping out this morning. You feel me? How you mean? We will continue the vlog, man. How you mean? Enough respect in all different aspects. Your boy Island Daddy, look at that. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah.
Once we are in the cruise, I'll get back to you with the latest conditions we can expect for our arrival into Barbados and the estimated time for landing. So sit back, relax, enjoy the flight with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Yeah, man, how you mean?
Not of course lackluster, but I shall still come to your center.
Safe and
The
sound.
time is only 15 minutes before.
Yeah, man. It's your boy Island Daddy. Finally, I'm in Barbados. Normally, you know the thing does go. The Bajans normally come and visit me. This time, I'm visiting the Bajans. I'll keep you guys posted, man. I know what you mean. Peace out. Safe flight. Caribbean Airlines done it once again. Wonderful flight. What you mean? Island Daddy in Barbados, Caribbean Airlines.
The best.
The best, man. What you mean?
That's right.
What you mean? No fun, no. Blessings, man. What you mean? What you mean? Normally the Bajans just come and visit the boss, but this time the boss visiting the Bajans. My brother, enough respect, man. How you mean? Bless up, man. How you mean?
Good.
Thank you, brother. Blessings. Yes, man. Look at that, now, boy. As I reach in Barbados, boy, what you going on, now, boy? 473, boy, to the world. Yo, we playing outside, you know? Wow. Loveliness, man. How you mean? Man, it's your boy and Island Daddy, man, up and functioning, right? You feel me? You see, this morning, I'm going to have a little shower this morning, and after the boss have a shower, I'm heading to the city. I wanna see Barbados. I want to see what it's like. You feel me? How you mean, man? Enough respect in all different aspects, man. It's your boy Island Daddy, man. How you mean? The self-made ambassador of Grenada, Carriacou, and Petit Martinique, representing 473 in all living forms, right? Peace out. All right.
What? Nothing like coming home to this. Yeah. My sweet mango, come on a journey with me, baby, and go to a place where the beach is blue and gold. Yeah. Toes in the sando. Look how she's so beautiful from every angle. Let me show you where I'm from. Yeah. Like this vibe that we have, with hot and blazing fire, like a grill, cooking mahi, oysters on the fry. This place is so special to me. The gem of the West Indies. Let me sip on 2 shots of rum, then we go line till the sun goes down. So hands in the air if you love this place. Let me hear you say.
Such a small world, right? No, I bunks up with her in Grenada, right? On the BBC beach, right?
Yes,
and now we are in
Barbados.
Barbados.
life is just crazy, right?
Very, very crazy.
Oh my God.
You feel me? How you mean? It pays to live good, right? How you mean? 473 to the wall, Island Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm in Barbados, right? And I'm seeing this lady running behind me. So I'm getting scared. I'm looking to run too. She's like, hello. You must be on YouTube, right? Hey, big up yourself, man. Island Daddy, man. How you
Big
mean?
up everybody in
How you mean?
Barbados.
Big up everybody in
And
Barbados,
big
man.
up everybody who follow my guy here on
How you mean?
YouTube.
Island Daddy to the world.
Island Daddy to the world.
Blessings, man. How you mean? No
Bless up.
respect, huh?
Yeah.
How you mean? Oh, they trying to trick me, Grenada. What? The thing walking. Real walking too. 473 to the wall, man. How you mean? Yeah, man. What church is this? Is this Catholic? What church is this, lady? Parliament? Ah, it's not a church, man. It's a parliament building. Yeah, man. Yeah, brother. Big up, man. Yeah, man. You look like a church, man. Yo, well, it's your boy Island Daddy. You know what? I'm in his and hers in Barbados today. And you know what? I'm talking with Chanel today. And Chanel is going to tell me something special. Hey, Chanel, talk to me. Good morning.
Good morning, visitors.
How you mean? How you mean? Listen.
I'm good. How are you guys doing?
Well, you know, with me, I'm up and down, but I'm balancing, right? You feel me? Listen to me. What is Barbados' national dish?
As an Indian, it's going to be totally different. But I would say it's cuckoo and flying fish, probably.
Cuckoo and flying fish.
Yeah.
In Grenada, we have the oil long, eh? You understand? Which is a very finger-licking dish. They advise you to don't eat that oil long with your hands. You see what you're doing there?
Oh my
If you're in
God.
Grenada and you're eating that oil long with your hands, you bite out your hands. It's that tasty.
But as an Indian, we want to eat with our hands. We don't want to put the metal in the...
No metal, eh? That's the way. That's the traditional way, eh? How you mean, man? Enough respect. I'll keep you guys
Enough
posted,
respect.
man. How you
All
mean?
the best to you and your vlog.
How you mean? How you mean? Peace out, right?
Peace out,
Listen,
brother.
I've been told that you cannot come Barbados and don't try chefet, right? So I'm here at the chefet restaurant, right? I'm basically going to see what's going on. I'm going to try it. Yeah. As you can see, I'm basically inside, right? Yeah. Representing well. I'm doing what they tell me. They say you cannot come Barbados and don't try chefet. So I'm trying chefet. And I'll let you know what's going on, right? You know, I rather eat until my belly busts than to let good food waste. What are you having?
I have VG burger.
Fiji burger. You hear me?
Yeah.
Chefet. You feel me? You say you cannot come to Barbados and don't try the chefet. You feel me? Yeah, man. How you mean? Yeah, well, presently I'm at a pedestrian crossing. I'm basically going to the Rihanna what?
Rihanna Drive.
Yeah, we're going to the Rihanna
She
Drive,
was
right?
living there.
She was
so.
living there, right? Yeah, so I'm going to her those steps. No, I'm presently right here at Rihanna's doorstep. You feel me? You know how the boss does do it, eh? Yeah, man, how you mean? When we repping 473 is because we repping it hard. You feel me? Yeah, man. This is it right here, right? This is it right here. This is Rihanna's place right here. Yeah, man. Don't worry. Not because you brought me. I will show you where it
Yeah,
is.
thank you. This is the one.
Yeah, man, this is Rihanna's place right here. As the self-made ambassador of Grenada, Carriacou, Petit Martinique, right? Listen up. I'm the man on the island that the government of Grenada could just take and put on a slinging shot and just vung me somewhere and say, hey, go come back with that goal. I bet your life I'm coming back with it. 473 Island Daddy representing clearly, right? Blessings, man. I'm here in Barbados, right in Rihanna doorsteps. Good afternoon. Oh my God. Kim, you got you? Huh? Peter, you got you? Yeah, man, how you mean? 473 to the wall, man. Listen, you got it nice. Garfield Sobers, boy. You guys remember that Grids batsman? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, how you mean? He was a bad boy Bajan in the cricket world. You understand? Yeah, man. Garfield Sobers, man. Yeah. I grew up loving cricket. I am a cricket lover. I grew up at my Garfield Sobers and Grand Lara. You feel me? So, you know, I basically had us to visit this statue, you know, just to make myself happy. I was a stylish cricketer, you know. This meant a lot to me. I'm in Barbados right now, right? Island Daddy's in Barbados right now, and I'm basically cooling down and, you know, Just like how we have the Carib and the Stag, you understand? Barbados have a bad beer. Wonderful beer called the Banks. So I'm basically trying it out, right? Yeah, this liquor bar right here. Well close up and protective. Yo, bandits don't stand a chance, you understand? Yeah. What do you mean? Blessings, man. No question. Island Daddy reporting from Barbados, man. 473 to the world. Yeah, and this is Grenada flag. I'm in Barbados with the boss mechanic in the place, you understand? Yeah, we're going on, and the boss love the colors, he love the vibes, he love the energy. You're feeling, but I have one question to ask him, man. What you like about Barbados? What do you enjoy about Barbados?
Me?
Uh-huh. What do you enjoy about being a Bajan?
You don't really got the big lot going like out the West, some of the West Caribbean countries, but you can still live, but expensive.
Nice, expensive, huh? Yeah. Nice. You see the place is it's a little expensive, but it's all right. It's a blessed place, nevertheless. You understand? So here we're going on. If you think of coming to Barbados, make sure you hire paper. It's a serious country. If you think of coming to living in Barbados, make sure you hire paper. You feel me? And if you're a nice guy like me and you like nice living and high living, find a good job. You feel me? Enough respect. Is your boy Island Daddy out and about? So you know, as a man, I always bounce up with all the characters. In Grenada, I control all characters, and in Barbados, you know, characters is love, man. Hey, what going on, man? What's your name? Tell us your name right now.
Acapella.
Acapella, you hear bad name? Yeah. What you do? What's your profession?
Me, strictly, a hawker.
All right. Well, that advise, man. Tell me, what you love about Barbados? What you love about Barbados?
I love my people.
You love your people, eh? Lovely people, eh? Oh, you mean? Here we're going on, man. From Grenada to Barbados, blessings, man. Not respecting all different aspects, man. Oh, you mean?
Love.
Peace out. Peace out. Love all the time, right? Yes, yo, my Bajan Passy, they outside, man. Loud and about. I love them. I must be back. Well, you don't know, it's your boy Island Daddy, and all good things must come to an end. I'm basically preparing myself to leave, right? Yeah, I'm about to basically head to the airport, head back to the Isle of Spice where everything is nice. I got my bag, I got my suitcase, everything locked. You understand me? Yeah, man, how you mean? Not respecting all different aspects, man. How you mean? But you know I got to tune up the thing. Hold on, day. All it. Tune up the thing. Thing must tune up. You know, thing must tune up. When you rep this 473, you gotta rep it well. You understand? You know I zest of the thing. You know I show the people the place. You know I explain Grenada. You know I sell the place. You understand me? You know what you mean? Not respecting all different aspects, man. It's your boy Island Daddy out and bad. I'll keep you guys posted, man. I'll see you on the airport and I'll also see you in Grenada. Right? You know how I do this thing. All I believe in what goes around comes around. The last time here we're going on, my soldier here was in my island. He come to visit me, and this time I'm in his island. You know, you don't know the thing set in
man. Every time. Enough respect, Island Daddy.
Oh, you mean in all different forms, man. Let me ask you something now. Yeah. Tell me something that you love about Barbados.
Man, I love the weather. Man, I just love everything about Barbados, man. We're friendly people. So anytime, you know, everybody always say the same thing. Barbadians are always friendly, always helpful. You understand? So we look out for one another. I love that. And when people come to our island, you know what I mean? We show them proper hospitality. We look after them.
Oh, you mean, man? You better believe it, man. Oh, you mean? Bajan to the bone, eh? You understand, man? No mixed thing.
No mixed thing, man. Enough respect, man.
Enough respect in all different aspects, man. Blessings, man. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man. I'm moving back, man. Oh, you mean? I meet up a vibes, man. Taxi, man. He remind me of myself. I really don't know the thing set, man. How you mean? Is your boy Island Daddy out and about? What's your taxi name again? Huh? What's your taxi name? What's it?
My name is Marson. Seaport Taxi.
Seaport Taxi. All right, Marson, man. I will move with Seaport Taxi. You know, you don't know the thing set, you know. How you mean? A safe drop back to the airport. The boss is very entertaining. You understand me? How you mean? You can't go wrong. Yeah, man. How you mean? Back on the airport, man, as usual. Small island, man. Enjoying Barbados. You know, it's a vibes, you know, man. And, you know, I'm basically heading to Sheffet now because there's a rumor that if you come to Barbados and you don't visit Sheffet or you don't eat that chicken, boy, it's because you don't eat nothing. So, I think I'm addicted to Sheffet already. You feel me? Not respecting all different aspects, man. It's a boy Island Daddy. I'll keep you guys posted, right? Yeah, man, outside the door. The place wonderful. The place nice. Barbados, I promise you guys, I will be back, right? Blessings, man. This time is not for business, you know. Vacation and pleasure. Oh, you mean? Peace out.
Buenos días, señorita, ¿cómo estás? Mi amo, señor Island Dada. Hey, myself, super. Because I hear they calling my name. I hear they calling my name again. I hear them calling, hear them calling, hear them them calling out. I say I hear they calling my name. I hear they calling my name again. Hear them calling, hear them calling, hear them calling out. If you hear them, island of the island of the island of the.
You know, a woman had me laughing, right? Yo, they saying to me that Gary make history, Bishop make history, Keith Mitchell make history, yo, even the Canada make history, you know? Hey, so why Islander they can't make history? Eh? Why history not good for me? Yo, blessings, man. 473 to the world. Yo, remember, life is what you make it, right? You feel me? Enough respect to everybody, man. This is your boy. This is how I'm doing it today. Enough respect, man. What do you mean? Man, and while chilling in Barbados, you don't know how the thing does set in a man. Here what going on, man? Is when the soldiers meet a soldier. You know, real people do real things. You feel me? Oh, you mean I jam down in the bars. Watch how the thing set the man. Watch how the thing set the man. You don't know it.
Barbados. Big up real brother from a different planet.
Oh, you mean?
Rubber mate, big up yourself. Island Daddy, big in Barbados.
Oh, you mean?
Let them know the thing.
Oh, you mean?
Daddy.
Cheers, man. Oh, you mean? Right now, I come and give him a bad thing. You know, the boss, how he sell visa, he have he joke. Any form of joke chicken, the boss have it. That is a joke doctor. You feel me? You don't respect in all different aspects. I'll keep you guys